Dear children, hope you are doing good. This is Divya Pandian, BT Assistant English from Government Model Girls Higher Secondary School, Manachanallur, welcoming you to the world of English lovers. Let's enjoy reading a story called Zigzag, where a pet bird plays an important role in the story beyond the human characters. வாருங்கள் குழந்தைகளே, மனித கதாபாத்திரங்களுக்கு அப்பால் எப்படி ஒரு செல்ல பறவை இக்கதையில் மிக முக்கியமான பங்கு வகிக்கிறது என்பதை இந்த சுவாரஸ்யமான கதை மூலம் தெரிந்து கொள்வோம். Pet birds are intelligent creatures and are always good companions to humans. They are friendly and gentle. They bring happiness all around. Example: hyacinth macaw, dove, parrot, lovebirds, pigeon, etc. When you own a bird, happiness is all around you. Every bird, every tree, every flower reminds me what a blessing and privilege it is just to be alive, says Marty Rubin. About the author of the story Zigzag, Asha Nehemiah. Asha Nehemiah is a renowned children's author who has written several picture and chapter books in a literary career spanning 20 years. Her best-selling titles include Behind the Lie, Trouble with Magic, Granny's Sari, The Village with a Long Name, The Adventures of Molly, etc. She depicts humor, fantasy, mystery, and adventure as strong elements in her works. Themes of the story: taming pet animals and birds gives happiness. Pet animals and birds are wonderful companions for humans. Commotion caused by the pet bird Zigzag. Happiness created by Zigzag. Pet animals and birds becoming the members of the family. Characters of the story: Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan, a child specialist who owns a clinic. சொந்தமாக சிகிச்சையகம் வைத்திருக்கும் குழந்தை நிபுணர். Mrs. Krishnan, wife of Dr. Krishnan. She is a talented artist. Maya, Dr. Krishnan's 9-year-old daughter. Arvind, Dr. Krishnan's son and Maya's elder brother. Dr. Somu, cousin of Dr. Ashok. Visu, Somu's old cook. சோமுவின் பழைய சமையல்காரர். லக்ஷ்மி, Mrs. Krishnan's maid. திருமதி கிருஷ்ணனின் பணிப்பெண். African witch doctor, trainer of the pet bird Zigzag. Mrs. Junjunwala, the art critic living upstairs. Zigzag, the pet bird tamed by Dr. Somu. Here, Zigzag is an eponymous character. An eponymous character, EPONYMOUS, eponymous character in a play, book, etc., has the same name as the title. Zigzag was at first a trouble for Dr. Krishnan's family, but later it turned to be a treasure and a great help for Krishnans. Places mentioned in the story: Alaska, Chennai, the deepest jungles of equatorial Africa and Australia. Things mentioned in the story: the painting of Mrs. Krishnan, sunset at Marina, room heater, அறையை சூடேற்றும் சாதனம், a tiny penknife, aboriginal boomerang, பழங்குடி மக்கள் பயன்படுத்திய ஒருவரை தாக்கித் திரும்பும் குறுந்தடி, chandelier, அலங்கார விளக்கு, curtain rod, திரைச்சீலை, a small water pistol, and a toffee. Other living things mentioned in the story: giant green and gold fighting beetle called Spitfire, African sidewinder, the rare insect eating plant brought from the wettest corner of the Amazonian rainforest. Children, shall we listen to the characters? Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan's clinic usually sounded more like an ancient Chinese torture chamber than a child specialist's clinic. The clinic was just overflowing with a variety of blood-curdling yells, இரத்தத்தை உறைய வைக்கும் கூச்சல்கள், and ear-splitting sobs, காதுகளை கிழிக்கும் அக்குழந்தைகளின் அழுகை. Trick train. Hello, yes, Mr. Krishnan. Dear, I'm sorry that because of the noise and crying of my little patients, Dr. Somu couldn't hear me properly. He rang me to ask whether we could keep Zigzag with us when he leaves for Alaska. I clearly said no, but he thinks I said yes. What? Can't you be firm in saying no by coming out of the great noise in the clinic? The noise in the clinic was so much that I couldn't hear him. Sorry, dear. Very sorry. I know very well that you are busy getting ready with your painting to be displayed in the exhibition next week. Maya interferes and talks to her dad.
Daddy, is not that Uncle Somu's giant green and gold fighting beetle which spits deadly poison straight into its opponent's eye?
No, Maya. It should be Uncle Somu's pit snake, the African sidewinder which slithers zigzag all over his house.
Maya and Aravind, you are both quite mistaken. Can't you both shut your mouths, Maya and Arvind? Enough all your imagination and explanation. Maya and Arvind. Zigzag is a most harmless, unusual and lovable bird. It was bred by a genuine witch doctor. It was gifted to Somo, who treated the African doctor's son. Somo says the bird is an absolute treasure and a real help. Krishnan, Somu might be your best friend, but most of the so-called favorite possessions he gave us were absolute nuisances. Mrs. Krishnan applies a dab or a small amount of yellow ochre paint onto her painting Sunset at Marina and continues. Remember the rare insect eating plant from the Amazonian rainforest. It was kept in our home because it swallowed all the mosquitoes, but now it requires a room heater to keep it alive in Chennai.
Ma, it is not really true. Every gift given by Uncle Somu is really fabulous. Ma, do you remember the tiny penknife with a shark's tooth blade? It was really useful.
Yes, Ma. What Aravind says is true. The penknife is quite useful.
Maya, no one but you would describe a penknife that has cut open the pockets of 3 skirts and 2 pairs of jeans as really useful.
Ma, the Aboriginal boomerang from Australia is great. It's with everyone.
Arvind, what? A great hit? The boomerang, which sliced through all the TV aerials in the neighborhood, caused permanent damage to several cars in the parking lot and knocked our watchman. Is that a great hit?
Dear, don't get tensed. Zigzag is totally different. Somu says that we all would love it. The bird can talk and sing in about 21 African languages.
What a time is this to dump this multilingual talking singing bird on us, Krishnan? Now, at this moment, I am tied up in knots trying to get my paintings ready for the exhibition next week. Here, to be tied up in knots means to be confused, anxious, worried, or upset about something.
May I take him to my school and display him in the science exhibition, Dad?
Let's wait for his arrival, Maya and Aravind.
When is Zigzag coming here, Dad?
Maya, sometime today, Zigzag will be coming here with Somu's old cook Bizu.
Mr. Krishnan leaves for his clinic. The doorbell is ringing. Tick, 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 tick.
Wow, it is Zigzag. Everyone is eager to see Zigzag. Zigzag is about a half and a foot tall. Its bald head was surrounded by pink feathers, while the rest of the plumage was in various shades of brown. Its curved beak was sunflower yellow, and its eyes were the color of cola held to sunlight. Zigzag என்ற கிளி 1.5 அடி உயரமானது. அதன் வழுக்கை தலையானது இளஞ்சிவப்பு இறகுகளால் சூழ்ந்திருந்தன. மீதமுள்ள இறகுகள் பழுப்பு நிறத்தில் இருந்தன. அதனுடைய வளைந்த அலகானது சூரியகாந்தி மலரின் மஞ்சள் நிறத்தில் இருந்தது. சூரிய ஒளியில் வைக்கப்பட்ட கோலாவின் நிறத்தை போன்று இருந்தன அதனுடைய கண்கள். Zigzag's full name is Ziggy Zaga, King of the Tonga. He could talk beautifully. He can even recite French poetry. Zigzag refused to speak. He placed all the fruits on the plate to the blades of the ceiling fan, which was then switched off. Zigzag went off to sleep on the curtain rod, and he started to snore. Lakshmi? Lakshmi, what happened? Why are you shouting like this?
Hooray, hooray! We have been blessed, Ma. It's rained papayas and bananas in this room.
You stupid! Lakshmi, it's not raining papayas and bananas. It's because Zigzag had kept the fruits on the fan blade. Oh shit! My painting got damaged as a slice of overripe papaya fell on it. I'm going to shoot this Zigzag.
Tring, 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 tring.
Mrs. Krishnan answered one call after another as all the neighbors were disturbed by Zigzag, and so they demanded to have some peace. Never minding of the commotion happening around, Zigzag slept and snored on.
Tring, 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 tring.
An exhausted Mrs. Krishnan called her husband and asked him to contact Mr. Somu to find out a solution for the heavy noise made by Zigzag.
Don't worry, Mrs. Krishnan. I have sent an email message for Somu. Let's find a solution soon.
The family receives an email from Somu which stated that Zigzag would hardly sleep. Mr. Krishnan, I will not keep this here another minute. Find Visu and ask him to take Zigzag with him immediately.
Mr. Krishnan takes Zigzag to his clinic.
Zigzag, with his strange, commanding voice, controlled all the tiny patients. There was pin drop silence in the clinic. Mr. Krishnan was really amazed. His noisy clinic was transformed into a calm, orderly place by Zigzag. Zigzag neither slept nor snored in the clinic.
Tring, 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 tring.
Hello, Mr. Krishnan. Now I feel very happy and pleased because Mrs. Junjunwala, our neighbor, the art critic, has bought the spoiled painting for rupees 5,000, saying she loved my new technique of painting.
Oh, that's good to hear, Mrs. Krishnan.
Shall we keep him with us at home, Krishnan?
Yeah, sure. I'll take him to the clinic every morning so that you can paint your paintings in peace. Okay, dear. I'll come home in a few minutes.
Now I'm really happy for Zigzag. Mr. Krishnan? Mr. Krishnan is talking to Zigzag.
Zigzag, you have your own way of showing your genius. I would call it a zigzag way.
At last, Zigzag turned to be a treasure and a great help to Dr. Krishnan's family. Children, I hope you enjoyed the story. Meet you in the next episode. Thank you.